Welcome to the front line of extreme construction power. Welcome to a job site where precision meets raw strength and every movement matters. What you're about to see is a beast Volvo excavator digging deep into tough ground during intense road construction work. Watch closely, because this is not light excavation. This is serious digging built for real-world performance. In today's video, you'll witness a Volvo excavator operating in demanding road construction conditions. Cutting deep trenches, removing heavy soil, and preparing the foundation that modern roads depend on. From powerful digging strokes to smooth material handling, this machine shows why Volvo excavators are trusted on high-pressure infrastructure projects. Volvo excavators are engineered for a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and control. The machine you see here features a reinforced boom and stick, designed for deep digging without loss of stability. Look at this angle as the bucket penetrates the ground. The machine stays firmly planted even under heavy load. That stability is critical when working below grade and tight construction zones. At the core of this excavator, is a high-torque Volvo diesel engine built to deliver consistent power throughout the digging cycle. Watch closely as the bucket cuts into compact soil without hesitation. The engine works seamlessly with the hydraulic system to deliver strong breakout force while maintaining fuel efficiency, which is essential for long working hours on road projects. Now, focus on the hydraulics. Volvo's advanced hydraulic system provides fast response and precise control. Look at this angle as the operator curls the bucket, lifts heavy material, and swings smoothly to the dump area. Every movement is controlled and fluid, reducing cycle time and keeping production high. This level of precision also minimizes spillage, keeping the work area cleaner and safer. Deep road excavation demands skill, and operator experience plays a huge role here. Watch closely how the operator controls bucket depth and cutting angle. There's no over-digging, no wasted motion. Each pass is calculated to reach the required depth accurately, saving time and preventing rework later in the construction process. Here's an interesting performance highlight. Modern Volvo excavators use intelligent power management systems that automatically adjust engine output based on workload. That means the machine delivers full power during heavy digging and saves fuel during lighter movements. This smart technology helps contractors reduce operating costs while maintaining productivity. Now, focus on the bucket design as it lifts material from deep inside the trench. The shape is optimized for penetration and retention, allowing the operator to move more material with each cycle. This improves production efficiency and reduces the number of passes needed to complete the job. Road construction is all about timing and coordination. Watch how smoothly the excavator transitions between digging and dumping. This steady rhythm allows crews to maintain progress and keep the project on schedule. A machine like this can move hundreds of cubic meters of material per shift when operated efficiently. If you're enjoying this kind of real heavy machinery action, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps support more content like this and let us know you want to see more extreme construction work. Now watch closely as the trench deep.
चलो आपको कभी वीडियो बनानी है तो बुला भी क्या करेंगे। आगे इधर आओ ना, इधर आप हमारी बहुत मशीन नीचे आ गई। आगे आओ, आप आओ। अच्छा आगे आओ, ठीक है मेरे साथ आओ तो गाड़ी
तो चैनल दिखाओ ना हमारा।
Notice how clean the edges remain and how consistent the depth stays. This level of accuracy is essential for drainage systems, utility installation, and road base preparation. Good excavation sets the foundation for everything that follows. Volvo excavators are also built with durability in mind. Reinforced components, strong undercarriage design, and easy maintenance access help reduce downtime on demanding job sites. Less downtime means more productivity and lower operating costs over the life of the machine. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you rather operate this beast Volvo excavator or work alongside it on a road construction crew? As we wrap up today's video, you've seen why this machine truly earns its reputation. From deep digging power and smooth hydraulics to precise control and high efficiency, this Volvo excavator is built for extreme road construction work. Thanks for watching and being part of the channel. Make sure you're subscribed for more heavy machinery, deep excavation, and real construction site action. In the next video, we'll bring you another powerful machine taking on an even bigger challenge. See you there.